All right, guys, in the summertime, it's August. The way the weather really changes the summertime bite is sometimes those fish are biting better shallow, sometimes they're biting better deep. Not necessarily chasing these fish from shallow to deep. I'm fishing for the fish that are living shallow and the fish that are living deep. It just depends on what the conditions are. You get some good storms rolling in, you need to be prepared to get up there shallow and catch those fish because they get more active. But sometimes when that wind really blows in the summertime, it starts generating just enough current where you can get those fish tight to the cover offshore and you can really catch them. So be prepared to fish shallow and deep and then follow the conditions during the summertime.